দা ইংলিশ মিডিয়ামটা করাচ্ছে, আমি বেঙ্গলি মিডিয়ামটা করাচ্ছি। আগের যে কোয়েশ্চেন দিয়েছিলাম সেগুলো প্রিপেয়ার করে রাখ, আগে এই টেক্সট দুটো কমপ্লিট করি, তারপর আমরা যদি আরো ক্লাস কন্টিনিউ করে দেন উই উইল বি টকিং অ্যাবাউট দোজ এক্সারসাইজেস, উই উইল বি চেকিং দোজ এক্সারসাইজেস। এটা একটু মাথায় রাখিস, যতটা সম্ভব হয় রেগুলার বেসিসে আমরা এক্সারসাইজ গুলো চেকিং করব। তারপর রাইটিং আর টেস্ট পেপার, সবার কাছে টেস্ট পেপারটাও রেডি করে রাখবি। I will be giving you homework and on a regular basis I will be dealing with those. তোমরা যদি ঠিকঠাক হোমওয়ার্ক করো ক্লাসের মতোই পুরো জিনিসটা হবে। So let us start with The Cat by Andrew Barton Paterson. And Andrew Barton Paterson, he was born in 1864 and he died in 1941. He was an Australian poet, journalist and author. এমনিতেই তো জানো, this is almost সর্বধর্ম সম্মেলন kind of a thing. The syllabus framers have tried to incorporate different writers from different countries rather. But I don't find any utility in this particular text at all. Cat for class 10. So this is so very difficult to make it interesting, to keep your attention going, etc. Into diyeche porte hobe, kichu korar nei. And who wrote extensively on Australian life. So Paterson, Andrew Barton Paterson, he being an Australian writer, positively could be writing about the particular concept of the socio-economic and cultural traditions of Australia, which is natural for him. His notable works, that is the famous works, include Waltzing Matilda and The Man from Snowy River. I don't know what he will do with these or not. এগুলো কোন কমে লাগবে আমার ঠিক জানা নেই। Still, it has been given. Now the text describes in minute detail the daily activities of cats. So all the daily activities of cats given in minute detail, that means in very, very detailed manner. The humorous narrative, this is considered to be a humorous one, a funny one, but I consider it to be a ridiculous one rather, takes us into the world of cats and indicates to us that they may not be the gentle and timid creatures that we take them for. Now let me tell you, who considers cat to be a timid creature, who considers cat to be a very gentle creature, I don't know. Personally, I do not like cats as pet. Dogs are better options always. Dogs are much better option, but cats, I personally do not like it at all. And a cat is never actually ke kotha bolche. I will stop the class. এরকম কথা বললে কিন্তু হবে না। So what happens there? সবাই মিউট করতে বলেছি, every participant has to be muted. Otherwise I will mute all. সেটা কিন্তু করো না, তাহলে আবার কোশ্চেন করতে পারবে না। So cat is not to be considered as a gentle creature, as a timid creature. It belongs to the species, that is the cat variety. Sorry, the big cat family. It belongs to the big cat family. And as it belongs to the big cat family, it has its own tenets, it has its own characteristics. And those tenets and characteristics are such that automatically makes it a very great fighter. The cats can fight for long and fight very vigorously. The cats can fight very magnificently as well, belonging to or they being members of the big cat. So many superstitious elements are associated with the existence of cats. In your history book, probably you have written the Egyptians, they were so much absorbed in the concept of cat as a goddess. And in our country, we are superstitiously associated with cat. Probably you have noticed, অনেকেই লক্ষ্য করে দেখেছিস, we drive a car or something like that, a cat crosses, and normally at that point of time, maximum number of the drivers come to a standstill. তারপরে তো pehle aap cholte থাকে। So what happens there, if a cat crosses our path, normally this is considered to be an ominous sign. That is always considered to be an ominous sign. Ominous sign মানে bad omen, ওটাকে অশুভ হিসেবে ধরা হয়। A completely black in color, a cat completely black in color, that also is considered to be very, very ominous because it is associated with black magic and so on. It normally is associated with that. Now, the point is here, Andrew Barton Patterson has actually presented the cat from a different perspective. The cat as a pet and how does it behave inside the particular family where it is kept as the pet, and the psychological response to different situations in the house, the relationship with the other family members, and certain generally believed philosophies or ideas about cat which may not be true in the real sense of the term. That actually is the periphery of this particular text. But keep one thing in your mind, this particular thing, that means a cat is, or rather the text itself is not a very good piece which is soothing, entertaining and interesting to read. However, let us see what we can make out of this. Now, most people think that the cat is an unintelligent animal, fond of ease and caring little for anything but mice and milk. Where from Patterson has got that, I do not know. Maybe in Australia, the general people, the public in general, consider cat to be an unintelligent animal. But I don't know how many of you do the same thing. Probably you do not consider cat to be an unintelligent animal at all, because cats are really very intelligent. They can manipulate situations, and normally the next part is true, fond of ease. Really, cats are really very, very fond of ease, comfort. You will notice, কখনো লক্ষ্য করে দেখবি, a pet cat, you take it in your lap, you just rub its body with your hand, and the way it starts purring, purring মানে দেখবে গুড়গুড় গুড়গুড় করে একটা শব্দ করে, and it cuddles itself along with you on your lap, in on the bed and everywhere. So they are very much fond of ease, comfort and caring little for anything but mice and milk, as if that is also a general misconception, as if they are only fond of mice and milk. What about fish? আমাদের দেশে তো চিন্তা করে দেখ, cats are supposed to simply eat fish. তো সেটা এখানে মেনটেন করা হয়নি বা মেনশন করা হয়নি, whatever. So anything but mice and milk. Now they normally love mice, they normally love milk. That is a general misconception, and that is true because cats love other food items as well. But a cat has really more character than most human beings. Now, this is a line which you need to consider a little bit, or with a little bit greater seriousness. Really, more character means this is shades of character. This is different tenets of the character. This is different aspects of its character. So, characteristically thinking, a cat has multiple dimensions in its character, as if more than the human beings have. Now, let me tell you in the beginning, this is absolute exaggeration. We don't need to take it seriously. The shades of character in a human being and the shades of character in a cat naturally cannot be compared. naturally cannot simply be equated as well. Because the most intelligent creation on planet Earth, man, its intelligence, its character tenets can never be compared to a cat. But it has been done here, and that itself is a humorous manner, in a funny manner, as if the cats can show multiple directions of its character, dimensions of its character than a human being, and gets a great deal more satisfaction out of life. So we enjoy our lives as human beings. We perform so many activities to entertain ourselves. And according to Patterson, as if the cats enjoy themselves in a much greater manner. A cat enjoys itself in a varied, or rather in a manner which is much more entertaining than the characteristics of a human being. Now, he or she, maybe a male cat or a female cat, is an athlete, an acrobat, and a green fighter. Nobody denying the truth of this factor itself. Really so. The cat is an athlete. Athlete means a person so very fit, a person so very supple, delicate in his movement. Now the cat really is an acrobat. It has got a body structure like this. And an acrobat, that means a person who can perform different physical movements or something like that. And a green fighter, green, the word refers to serious. Really, it is a serious character. Now let me explain it a bit further. I don't know whether you have noticed or not. A cat can enter any place if the gap allows it to push through its head. Have you understood my point? মনে কর কোনো একটা জানলায় গ্রিল ট্রিল লাগানো আছে, সেই গ্রিলের মধ্যে গ্রিলটা যতই ছোট হোক, ইফ দ্য স্কাল পাসেস থ্রু, শুধু এইটুকু ওর দরকার, মাথার স্কালটা যদি পাস করে যায়, it positively will simply move its whole body through this particular small gap itself. It is such a magnificent delicacy of its body. So delicate, so nimble, so swift, and so fit a cat personally is. এটা একেবারে চিরকালীন নিয়ম, ঠিক চলে যাবে। If you drop a cat from much higher a place, it will land on its 4 feet, and it is so very difficult to actually hurt the cat by dropping it from a height or from a good height itself. It's so very difficult. However, accident ki hoy na, eta hotei pare, that's a different issue. But normally, if it is alert, then dropping them will not hurt them at all, even if from a great height. আর একটা জিনিস লক্ষ্য করে দেখবি, বলাই হয়, এটা ফেমাস প্রবাদ, ক্যাটস হ্যাভ 9 লাইফস। এটা খুব শুনে থাকবি যে ক্যাটেদের 9টা জীবন। হোয়াট ডাজ ইট সিগনিফাই? You cannot kill a cat easily. You cannot actually harm a cat easily, because just like a phoenix bird, it will keep on coming back and back again and again. Such is the quality of a cat. And a grim fighter. Grim fighter, that is true. Normally there is an animosity in between cats and dogs. রাস্তাঘাটে দেখবি বিড়াল কুকুর সামনাসামনি আসা মানেই চেজিং ইচ আদার অ্যান্ড দ্য থিংস। Primarily the cat keeps on running away, but at a particular time the cat bounces back. আর আমি জানি না whether you have noticed it or not, I have personally noticed it multiple times. A dog never wins against a cat, because ultimately the cat brings out its canine. Ultimately, the cat brings out its sharp nails, and it attacks in such a manner with its paws and everything that so many dogs do not find it easy to compete with any cat in fighting. Sochorochor kintu ultimate winner emerges out to be the cat itself. So it is a green fighter. Now, all day long, the cat looks about the house. Looks, that means loiters, moves, wanders freely about the house, takes things easy. And takes things easy means it's very casual in its approach. During the daytime, if you have a pet cat, it keeps on moving in the family itself. It keeps on moving from one place to another, one room to another, one shelf to another, just without any fixed destination to reach normally, and allows himself to be pestered by the attention of the people in the house. And normally it always loves to draw attention somehow or the other. And it happens. It is a true characteristic. দেখবি যে বাড়িতে বিড়াল থাকে বিড়ালগুলো পায়ে পায়ে ঘুরতে থাকে it will always be around you, between your legs, moving along with you all the time. So pestered means to be pestered, that means to be showered with affection by the members of the family. Now what happens? To pass the time away, he sometimes watches a mouse hole for an hour or two, just to keep himself from dying of boredom. Now it's a game. এখানে আরো একটা কথা বলার দরকার, though they have talked about mice and milk in the beginning, but probably the cats do not eat mice in normal situation. At least the domestic cats don't. They probably do not like it in that manner, but they kill it. But they simply pounce upon it. But how much they eat it, I have every doubt behind it. Now it's a game. What kind of a game? Sitting in front of a mouse hole. প্রথমেই মাথায় রাখো, there may not be any mouse at all in that particular hole in the very first place. যেটাকে ও মাউস হোল হিসেবে ট্রিট করছে, that particular hole itself may not be having any mice in it at all. সেখানে হয়তো নেই, হয়তো গত এক বছরে কোনো মাউস ওখানে ছিলও না। But it's a leisure, or rather it's a pastime for the particular cat. It will be sitting there, probably with the two front paws kept on two sides of the hole, and sitting in front of the hole, staring at the hole itself. If anything comes out, it will be pouncing on it readily. And that is simply done for hours together in order to pass his time, in order to simply get out of boredom. মানে নেই কাজ তো কইবাজ. So probably not finding any activity, the cat will be pretending like this. And I have seen multiple pets behaving in this kind of manners. অনেক সময় দেখবি dogs are also so very playful. I have seen in my home a dog simply touching a centipede, kinno that I am talking of. And the moment the centipede is touched, it becomes round, and the dog is sitting with its two paws on both sides of the particular centipede. Say for example 5-6 minutes, probably the centipede thinks that now I am out of danger. Again it stretches itself, and the moment the centipede stretches itself, the very moment the dog is touching it again, and it gets curled up. It's a game, it's a play, because the animals also love to play in that manner, and that happened. So to pass the time away, the cat, he sometimes watches a mouse hole for an hour or two just to keep himself from dying of boredom. People get this idea that this sort of thing is all that holds life for a cat. Now Peterson introduces the basic thing. Maybe the general people think that these are easy type of or easygoing life of a cat. These are the plain and simple things that the cats love to do. Moving around the house, drawing attention of the family members, enjoying the luxury and comfort of the home, sitting in front of a mouse hole for an hour or two to get out of boredom. But this is not all. And then people get this idea that this sort of thing is all that holds life for a cat, but watch him as the shades of evening fall. আমি একদম শুরুতে একটা কথা বলেছিলাম, cat actually is a member of the big cat family. Big cat family, the tiger family rather. Tiger, lion, panther, leopard, whatever you can think of. And these species, all the varieties rather, they are nocturnal animals. Now, what do I mean by nocturnal animals? Nishachar. So, night is the actual time when they come out from their hiding in order to search for their prey. So, the natural timing for this kind of animals to move around is the night itself. So, whenever during the daytime, a specific set pattern of behavior is to be observed in a cat, which happen normalcy dekhte pabe cattar moddhe. But the moment the sun sets, the evening sets in, and the shades of evening fall, from the particular moment, the cat gets transformed into an absolutely different way. And you can see the cat as he really is. And at that point of time, you can see the cat as he really is. That means the real character of a cat can only be noticed not during the daytime, but at the time of evening, at the time of night. So we have come to the end of Unit 1. Dakhoto, if you have anything to ask about Unit 1, then you will be asking me that.
Sir, pestered মানেটা আরেকবার বলবেন?
Pestered মানে showered with affection. Showered with affection. That is pestered. Showered with affection. If anybody has to ask anything, he will unmute himself. I can see the name then and I will ask him. যার দরকার হবে সেই শুধু আনমিউট করবে। খুব তাড়াতাড়ি একবার পড়ে দেখ, ছোট্ট একটা জায়গা, ইটস নট মাচ। ডু ইট ভেরি কুইকলি।
স্যার অ্যাক্রোব্যাট মানে কি বললেন?
Acrobat means a kind of an athlete. The two things actually refer to the same concept. That means a person having great physical fitness. Acrobatics বলে না আরে যারা জিমন্যাস্ট, that is acrobat. Anything else? Anything else that you would like to ask? দেখো তো, if you want to ask anything, then you can ask me, or we can move on to Unit 2. Okay, fine. Let us. বলো।
Is it and gets a great deal more satisfaction?
Be a little bit louder. I cannot hear you.
Is a first paragraph, last line,
Hmm.
and gets a great deal more satisfaction out of life. It is
He gets a great deal more satisfaction out of life. That means whenever we do something, we do it with a view to gain something, to entertain us, to delight us. যেমন ধর তোরা যখন খেলতে যাস, what is the basic purpose? Obviously getting the delight, getting the pleasure of the game. So the cats also performs multiple activities in order to enjoy themselves. and they have multiple methods to engage themselves in certain activities where they enjoy their lives more as if than a human being can enjoy himself. একজন মানুষ তার নিজের কে যতটা এনজয় করতে পারে, the cat probably can do even more. Clear?
আর স্যার ওই রিয়েলি মোর ক্যারেক্টার বলতে?
More character মানেই হচ্ছে the number of characteristics. It is greater in a cat than in a man.
আচ্ছা,
Multiple factor-টাকে বোঝাচ্ছে, multiple, more character out of his than most other human beings. তার মানে facets of character, tenets of character, বিভিন্ন কি বলবো বাংলায় এটাকে কি বলে, we can say things like that, different shades of character, aspects of character. I cannot find that exact Bengali word right now. চারিত্রিক বৈশিষ্ট্য, that's the word, চারিত্রিক বৈশিষ্ট্য। মানুষের যত রকম আছে, ক্যাট সম্ভবত তার চাইতে বেশি রকম আছে। Am I clear now?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
Okay. Now, the next thing is Unit 2. When the family sits down to tea, that is the evening time, the family sits down to tea, the cat puts in an appearance to get his share. So the cat is well acquainted with actually his or with the timing of the family's dinner time, supper time, lunch time, etc. So it is the evening, probably the family will be sitting at their dinner, they will be, or maybe supper, so they will be taking tea, and the cat will appear there in order to have its share, and he purrs noisily. What does it mean, purrs noisily? That means it produces that purring sound. যে গড় গড় করে যে শব্দ করে, so he produces that purring sound and rubs himself against the legs of the family members. So it comes in physical contact with the family members. It will come to the close contact of the leg of the member. It will rub its body against the particular member's leg, and that means it is drawing attention. So give me something to eat, provide me some food, where is my share, kind of a thing. Now, if there is a guest at the table, the cat is particularly civil to him. Now think of the intelligence level of the cat. There is a guest at the table, obviously an unfamiliar personality. And then the cat behaves in a much more civil manner. That means much more gentle manner. So there is a reason behind this civility. এই ভদ্রতা দেখানোর পিছনে একেবারে একটা স্পেসিফিক উদ্দেশ্য আছে, একটা পারপাস আছে। And why do they behave in that civilized manner? Because the guest is likely to have the best of what is offered, and that is natural. Whenever we invite a particular guest, we provide the best possible food to him or her. And the cat is well aware of the fact. So whenever at the dinner or supper table there will be a guest, an outsider, the cat will behave in a greatly civilized manner, in an amiable manner, in order to impress the guest, because he wants a share of the guest's food, because that will be the best food for that particular day. Sometimes, instead of giving him something to eat, the guest stoops down. Stoops means bends down and strokes the cat and says. Now that can happen at times. The guest may not understand the civility. So the guest, without giving him, the purpose of being civil is to get the share of food on the part of the cat. But the guest may not be understanding this. And if the guest does not understand it, what can happen? he can stoop down and strokes the cat and says, poor Kushi, poor Kushi. এখানে poor মানে গরিব নয়, বেচারা, normally that is the sense we use, oh you pushy cat, kind of a thing. So the particular person can bend down, reach up to the cat and stroke its body. একটু গায়ের উপরে হাতটা বোলালো. So that action can be performed by a guest. Though the cat wants some food, but instead of giving the food, obviously not by default because he has not understood it, the man can stroke its body and actually shower his affection on him. Now the cat soon tires of that and he doesn't like it because he does not want the pestering of the person. He doesn't want the affection of the person. Sorry. He wants only the share of food from him. So he soon tires out. Now he puts up his claw. Now think of the severity of this situation. He puts up his claw and quietly but firmly rakes the guest in the leg. So scratches the guest in the leg. Now this is not done. ভালো করে ভেবে দেখিস, পেট খুব ভালো, so you may love pet, but when you go to somebody else's house, if the particular person, or rather pet of the family attacks you, not only it is something dangerous for you, but it should be considered to be a great bit of embarrassment on the part of the family members. এটা প্রথম মাথায় রাখ। আমি তোমার বাড়িতে গেলাম, তোমার কুকুর ছাগল বিড়াল কিছু একটা আমাকে দৌড়ে কামড়াতে আসলো, আমার তো একটা হার্ম, একটা ডেঞ্জার হলোই, তোমার লজ্জাটা ভেবে দেখো। But very unfortunately and ridiculously, Patterson has stated the whole thing in a different manner. উনি একটু অন্যরকম করেছেন। কি করেছেন দেখ? Oh, says the guest, the cat stuck his claws into me. Natural screaming. Ouch! আরে পায়ে দেখুন আছড়ে দিয়েছে। So the cat has raked its or stuck its claws into me. আমি জানি না তোমরা হলে কি করতে, but at least I myself can share my view. I would have instantly kicked the cat hard. Natural reaction, reflex action, and probably you all will be agreeing with me that the cat deserved an instant kick. ওই মুহূর্তে জোর একটা লাথি মারার দরকার ছিল, but probably being surprised, out of rather he was bewildered, and out of that bewilderment probably the man will be talking in a different manner, so he would exclaim, "Hurry, ouch, the cat has struck his claws into me." But a very peculiar reaction comes. The delighted family remarks. Now you tell me, how can the family members be delighted? They should have been ashamed. They should have been embarrassed. তো লজ্জা পাওয়া উচিত, এম্বারাস ফিল করা উচিত, তা না they are getting delighted that our cat has struck you, our cat has actually done something to make you bleed. এটা কোনো কাজের কথা হলো? এটা কোনো হিউমার হলো? এটা কোনো ফান হলো? I don't understand. Isn't it sweet of him? তার মধ্যে আবার ন্যাকা ন্যাকা কথা। Isn't it sweet of him? What sweetness? Now you have a pet dog. The pet dog bites me. I will have to take multiple injections. How can it be sweet of the particular person? How can it be sweet? So, isn't it sweet of him? Isn't he intelligent? So what intelligence the family members are talking of, I don't know. He wants you to give him something to eat. So the family members are delighted at the behavior of the cat. Oh, see how intelligent our cat is. Oh, see how sweet it is. You know why it is doing things like that? Actually, it is asking for some food. Read, what a thing. Train your cat to have a bowl and sit by the side of the road, beta. I myself would have reacted so very violently. Even I would have thought it would have hurt me had a cat done things like this to me. But it would have hurt me more if the family members say things like that. I don't know whether you have got my point or not. আমাকে আঁচড়ালো, রক্ত বেরোচ্ছে, ব্যথা লাগছে, টিটেনাস নিতে হবে, এটসেট্রা এটসেট্রা, এটা তো কষ্ট বটেই। But at the same time, the people of the family talking bullshit like this, talking rubbish like this, it would have hurt me more. আরো বেশি কষ্ট হতো আমার, রাগ হতো। So you may love your pet, but you should have trained the pet in a better manner. And this is not done. You cannot behave in this manner at all. The guest dares not do what he would like to do. So this is a contrast between the actual desire of the guest and the action performed by the guest at this point of time. Because the guest also is a civilized person. The guest also has his own code of conduct. The guest also has to behave in a proper manner. So he dares not do what he would like to do. Kick the cat out of the window. So the original desire of the guest, just to provide a very good and strong kick at the cat, and the cat would be just flung out of the window. এমন জোরে মারবে লাঠিটা, জানলা দিয়ে ছিটকে বেরিয়ে যাবে। The original desire of the particular guest, but he cannot perform it because the family members are behaving in such a ridiculous manner, showing their delight at the action of the cat, which is they are never supposed to do. So he has to do something different. So what is the action that he performs? So with tears of rage and pain in his eyes, he affects to be very much amused. Just look at these. Tears of rage and pain in his eyes. Rage means anger. And much pain was there because already blood was, droplets of blood were oozing out. Pota pota রক্ত হয়তো বেরোচ্ছে। And think of the panic of this particular situation, that I will have to get it treated. Besides tetanus, I will have to take some other injections or things like that. So the panic, the tension and anger, almost the guest is in tears. রীতিমতো চোখে হয়তো জলও চলে আসতে পারে। But how he has to behave? He has to behave in an amused manner, as if he also is delighted. Okay, delighted now because he actually wanted to kick the cat out of the window, but he cannot do it, and sorts out a bit of fish from his plate and hands it down. And then he has to sort out, actually collect, scrap some bit of fish, and he has to give it down to the particular cat. তাহলে কি হলো? The guest cannot fulfill its own things or desire, his own desire, but the cat has achieved his goal. Karon, the cat did everything with a view to getting food. So he has got food. But the guest cannot show his emotion. And now the cat gingerly receives it. So what is gingerly? very carefully. And why is it careful? That is actually the guilt consciousness in the cat. He knows that he has not done the right thing by raking the person in his leg. ওর পায়ে আঁচড়ে দিয়ে ও যে ঠিক করেনি এটা খুব ভালো রকমইও জানে। The cat is very, very clear about his action, about the consequences. So he knows that the family members, my masters, they can be delighted, but the guest is not delighted. So the guest can attack me. And in order to avoid that attack, he has to be very, very actually sharp, very, very conscious of the situation. So while taking the fish, he is careful, he is conscious, so gingerly, with a look in his eyes. But he tries to communicate something through a look that says, another time, my friend, you won't be so slow to understand. So dear friend, you got your point? So next time, I hope you will not be slow to react. This time I showed civility. You have not given me food, so I had to rake you. And next time you come to the family, the moment I come, you better give me some food. Otherwise, remember the pain, remember the scratch, remember the raking. So don't you think the cat is almost challenging the guest, and it has taken an upper hand? মোটেই সহ্য করার মতো জিনিস না। Now he purrs as he retires to a safe distance from the guest's boot. So he knows at any point of time the guest can take a chance of kicking the cat. So he moves away with the fish to a safe distance, away from the guest's boot, that means his leg, before eating his food. And then he consumes his food in a safe place. So very quickly go through this. Do you have anything to ask in unit number 2? Make it quick so that we can complete unit 3 as well. I don't know which class you do have after this, but probably the teacher is waiting. Make it very quick. যদি ইউনিট 2 তে কারোর কিছু জিজ্ঞেস করার থাকে।
স্যার রেজ
হ্যাঁ, সৌপর্ণ
রেজ মানে স্যার রেজ
সৌপর্ণ, I am not getting it. There is a rain cats. It's raining cats and dogs. অসম্ভব বৃষ্টি।
রেজ মানে
হ্যাঁ,
রেজ
বল
রেজ RAGE
RAG, rage মানে anger. Rage means anger. And someone else was trying to ask. সৌম্য চৌধুরী,
টায়ার্স অফ মানে কি বলেছিলেন?
কোনটা?
The cat soon tires of that. Tires of.
Oh, tires the cat soon. এক minute. Tires of. That means he gets frustrated of the whole thing because he doesn't like it. He gets tired because he wants food. He does not want the caressing or affection from the guest. Ar kichu? Anything else, or we will be moving to unit 3? Chalo, let us start with unit 3. So when the family has finished tea, so after the family has finished tea and gathers round the fire, and this actually is the indication that the family was taking supper. So they sit around the fire. The cat casually goes out of the room. So till the time of supper, the cat sticks to the room because it has got every possibility of getting more and more food. Aro hoyto kichu pabe, something like that. But when the supper is over, now the family members seated around the fire, the eating portion, the supper portion over. So So very casually, that means as if it is just going out, something like that, unnoticed. In an unnoticed manner, the cat gradually goes out of the room. True life now begins for him. And that Peterson had said as more character. Someone was asking me. কারণ যতটুকু ও শো করছে to the family members, this is simply the tip of the iceberg. There are more tenets in his character. There are more shades in his character, and gradually the shades will be unfurled. Gradually the shades will come out. So true life begins for him. He saunters. Now, what do you mean by saunter? Walk in a very casual and light manner. আমরা exact বাংলায় বলতে পারি দুলকি চাল. So just walking, something like this. So saunters down his own backyard. He comes out of the house. He gets down to the backyard in a very casual manner, springs to the top of the fence. So at the backyard there is a fence, and he jumps up on it, drops lightly down to the other side. খেয়াল কর, এখানে কিন্তু jumps বলেনি, just drops. And in the beginning, in the introductory part, I was trying to say you something, and that is, even if from a great height you drop a particular cat, it will land on its 4 feet. It will land on its 4 feet, and it is so very difficult to get the cat out by throwing it. So drop, the particular word, indicates to the smoothness of the action. Very casually coming out of the room, reaching the backyard, jumping onto the fence, and then just very smoothly getting down to the other side. He trots across. Another movement. Trot normally is used in case of the horses. Trotting mane medium walking actually. A little bit faster than walking, but much slower than full-fledged running. So the cat trots across and skips to the roof of an empty shed. Now, towards the backyard, there is an empty shed. And the cat, it has got its route, and you know how the cats jump from one place to another, that place to another, that place to another. So it skips to the roof of the empty shed. His movement becomes light. A light শব্দটার মানে হচ্ছে delicate. You can call it supple, S-U-P-P-L-E. So this movement is so very agile. That is another very good word, A-G-I-L-E. So the whole movement becomes lithe and panther-like. So another member of the big cat family, a panther. And the panther positively moves in such a manner that it walks 1 foot away from you and you cannot hear the sound. They can control the movement with such great excellence. So the cat also shows similar kind of agility. His movement becomes lithe and panther-like. He looks keenly. Keenly means intensely here. Intensely, that means with great interest, from side to side. So he keeps on looking on both sides. Once this side and then the other side. He keeps on moving his head in order to keep a vigil on the whole place. And that is indicative of the alertness, indicative of the consciousness of this particular cat, and moves noiselessly. Don't you feel? This is simply a specific characteristic of the nocturnal animals. The animals especially, they can move with such light feet. Light feet means very, very noise in a very noiseless manner. Amra hati dhoop dap, so miles away one can feel that someone is walking. But the animals are not like that. So moves noiselessly. Or he has so many enemies. And why is the cat so very cautious? Why it is so very anxious as well? Why does it look from right to left, left to right? Because he knows that he has got multiple enemies. What kind of enemies? Dogs and small boys with stones. So there can be dogs in the vicinity. There positively are. So if a dog gets a chance, it will pounce on the cat. So it has to be alert. And another danger is small boys, because they will throw stones at the particular cat. If the cat see it, then the cat can duck the stone itself. তাহলে কিন্তু অ্যাভয়েড করতে পারে। But if he is not alert, unnoticed it can come and hit the particular cat, and that is why he takes such precautions. Now on top of the shade, the cat arches his back and rakes his claws once or twice through the soft bark of the old roof. So the shade itself, the shade means the particular place where he has moved the empty shed, and it has old roofs because it is an abandoned place, পরিত্যক্ত জায়গা. And in their country, most of the roofs are made up of wood, কাঠ দিয়ে তৈরি, কাঠ. And since it is such a place, that means an abandoned place, an old roof, the wood is rotting. কাঠটা পচে গেছে, so it has become softer. And the cat arches his back. দেখবি পিঠটাকে এরকম ধনুকের মতো বাঁকিয়ে ফেলে, ক্যানাইন দুটো বার করে ফেলে, হুইস্কার্স গুলো মানে ওদের গোঁফ গুলো লম্বা লম্বা হয়ে দাঁড়িয়ে যায়. It is actually a gesture, a body movement indicating alertness and the point of attack. যখনই কোনো ক্যাট, বিড়াল যখন কুকুরকে দেখে তখন দেখবি পিঠটা ধনুকের মতো বাঁকাচ্ছে, দাঁতগুলো বার করছে এবং রীতিমতো হুইস্কার্স গুলো লম্বা লম্বা হয়ে আছে. So at any point of time it can jump. So what does the cat do? It rakes its claws once or twice. মানে এটা একটু ওয়ার্ম আপ করে নিল. দেখবি ব্যাটসম্যান ব্যাট করতে যাচ্ছে, সো ডুইং শ্যাডো ফর আ ফিউ টাইমস. কেউ কেউ দেখবি সিট আপ অ্যান্ড সিট ডাউন করে নিচ্ছে. সো দ্য ক্যাট ইজ রেকিং ইটস ক্লস once or twice on the soft bark of the roof. He stretches himself a few times to see if every muscle is in full working order. So he stretches, দেখবি সামনের পা দুটো লম্বা করে দিল, পিছনের পা দুটো আরেকটু স্ট্রেচ করে নিল, বডিটা পুরো এরকম লম্বা করে দিল. This is stretching. A few times, পুরো প্রসেসটাই দেখ, raking the particular old bark of the roof, stretching itself, arching its back. All the activities refer to one thing. He is just warming up because something more serious is waiting for him. He may have to be indulged in a great fight. লড়াই শুরু হতে পারে. আর লড়াই যেহেতু শুরু হতে পারে, simply he is making himself all the more serious and ready. Then dropping his head nearly to his paws. Now another body movement. Pawsটা এরকম করে আছে and the head is dropped nearly to his paws. He sends across a call to his kindred. Now who are the kindred? The other cats in the locality. The other cats in the vicinity. So it sends a call. যুদ্ধ শুরুর আগে যেমন বিউগল বাজে কাইন্ড অফ আ থিং, মহাভারত রামায়ণে যেমন শাঁখ বাজতো, similarly the cat sends across a call to his kindred. Before long they come, and that is a wonderful line. I like this line very much. Before long means not much time passes, very quickly. Before long means in no time, very quickly they come. That means the other cats come to this place, gliding, graceful shadows. So what a magnificent thing. Earlier no cat could be seen, but the moment the cat sends across the hall, they are gliding, just slipping down from different directions, just moving like shadow. Shadow is a very smooth thing. It doesn't stick to a particular place. It moves along with the object which is creating the shadow. And that is so graceful. So the movement is so acrobatic. The movements are so very delicate that they look like graceful shadows. The point is, the cats from other houses, they also have come out in search of adventure like this cat. And one cat gives out the call, and all the other cats automatically come and join. No longer are they the meek creatures. Meek, that means timid. So no longer they are the timid creatures who and our ego were mewing for fish and milk. Just 1 hour ago, the cats were there in their respective homes. They were just mewing in front of their masters in order to get some food. And just after an hour, they have met together outside the periphery of their houses in this old abandoned shed. And now they are so very serious. You cannot compare this cat with the cat in the home, though they are same, but the behavioral pattern changes altogether. Just think, they are now green fighters. So now they appear to be very, very serious fighters. Just think how much more he gets out of his life than you do out of yours. আমি জানি না তোদের বইতে এখানে দেন প্রিন্ট আছে কিনা, ওল্ড এডিশনে এটা দেন প্রিন্ট ছিল, সো ইট শুড বি দেন ইউ ডু আউট অফ yours. So getting out of life means deriving pleasure, obtaining entertainment through his own action. যে আনন্দ আমরা তৈরি করে নিই নিজেদের জন্য, we derive pleasure, we get pleasure, delight, happiness. And the cat can be happier than that. And the sports they have too. So kind of sports refer to kind of games that they play. These games are all fighting games though, but they play. As they get older, young cats, older cats, they do behave in different manner. As they get older, they go in for sport to the suburban backyards. So this is inside the town. But when they get older, then this place is filled with the younger cats. And the older generation of cats, they move to the outskirts, to the suburban areas. Suburban areas, though, adjacent to the city, the outskirts of the city, of the town. So the suburban backyards. These backyards that are dull to us, and we do not look at the backyards. It remains unnoticed because we are not bothered about it. But they are to them hunting grounds where they have more gallant adventure than King Arthur's knights ever had. Gallant means courageous. Ei line ta amar bichchili lage. I don't personally like it at all. What a kind of comparison this is. Age ekটু King Arthur টাকে মনে করে দেখ. If you remember properly, King Arthur, the legendary king. 6-7 এ কোনো একটা টেক্সটে তোদের বোধহয় পড়ানো হয়েছিল, that man who drove the sword from the anvil stone in the church, and he became the king of England at the age of 12. If you remember properly, Merlin was the magician. And when he grew up, on the day of his marriage, King Arthur's marriage, Merlin took him to a place, primarily to a lake, from where Excalibur came out. Excalibur, you remember, the special sword belonging to King Arthur. Then Merlin took him to a cave. Inside the cave, there was a round oak table, beautifully carved, and the knights, special and skillful soldiers for the king, who would sacrifice their lives for the king. And how did the knights work? Whenever there was some injustice, whenever there was some torture on the poor people, King Arthur's knights could be going there and protect the life, right, and property of the poor people. And the king would ask them to go on multiple adventures, which they will accomplish. He was King Arthurian knights. So it's a legendary story. And the knights had magnificent adventures. And what has been done here? In the suburban backyards, some older cats fight among themselves, and fight in such a manner as if they are much more courageous than the King Arthur's knights, and they have greater adventures than the knights of King Arthur. Now you imagine, you try to imagine if you can accept this kind of a comparison at all or not. So the courage, the gallantry, the adventures of Arthurian knights even are less in comparison to the courage shown by the cats, in comparison to the adventures undertaken by the cats. This is the basic line. It is always, the last paragraph, spoken as a reproach. Reproach, it's ইংরেজিতে বলা হয় censor, or here it has been written blame. মানে দোষারোপ, it's a blame, a censoring. Against cats, that they are more fond of their home than of the people in it. আর এটা মোটেই reproach না, it is true. যে cats never actually are loyal. Dogs are very loyal. Dogs will follow you to the end of the world. সে যুধিষ্ঠিরের কুকুর থেকে শুরু করে whatever you can think of. But cats are not loyal to the masters. They are opportunist, ভীষণ সুযোগ সন্ধানী. So they love the home, they love the habitat where they live in. They do not love the master that much. So what happens there? They are more fond of their home than of the people in it. Naturally, the cat doesn't like to leave his country. Another exaggeration. Country here refers to habitat, refers to his living place. So it does not like to leave his country. He will leave his location, the land where all his friends are. So all his friends are living there. He has been born and brought up there, so he will not leave that place. এমনিতেও লক্ষ্য করে দেখবি বিড়াল তাড়ানো বলে একটা আমাদের বাংলায় প্রবাদ আছে, বস্তার মধ্যে ভরে বহু জায়গায় ঘুরিয়ে এক জায়গায় ছেড়ে আসতে হয়, না হলে নাকি ঠিক খুঁজে খুঁজে আবার সেই বাড়িতে চলে আসে। So he does not want to leave the land where all his friends are and where he knows every landmark. Basically they are thieves. Cats are thieves. চুরি করে খেতে ভালোবাসে, পালানোর জায়গা। So knows every landmark. Exiled in a new land. Exiled means banished, thrown away. মানে তুমি যদি অন্য কোথাও দূরে রেখেও আসো, exiled in a new land, you would have to learn a new geography. That means you will have to learn all the place very well all over once again, which he doesn't like. Because the earlier place he knew everything. He knew every location. But if he is moved, exiled, banished to a new place, then it will be so very difficult. And so it has to learn a new geography. So when the family moves, the cat, if allowed, will stay at the old house. তাহলে খেয়াল কর, মনে কর rented house. The family members would be moving from one place to another, but the cat will not move along with them. The cat will stick to the home. The dog will do completely the opposite. The dog will move along with the members. The house is not important, but the cat will prefer the house. And it is the proof that the cats are more fond of the house than of the family living in it, and attach himself to the new tenants. And some new people would be coming to live in that. And the cat, for its own interest, will develop an affinity, a familiarity with the new tenants, and he will give them the privilege of boarding him. So he will behave in such a manner that the people will be delighted. Oh, we have got a ready-made pet, something like that. He behaves in such a, oh, what a wonderful cat we have got. And while he enjoys life in his own way. So what he ensures? He ensures actually the supply of food, the protected shelter, and the games or adventures that he is habituated to undertaking in the vicinity. So he will stick to the place no matter where the earlier masters would be moving. So that is the text all about. Better you have a homework beginning from unit 1, unit 2 and up to 11 of unit 3. So up to 11 of unit 3 ক্লাসে যেমন ভাবে হোমওয়ার্ক করতে খাতাতে সেইভাবেই করো, because next week when I will be taking the class, বা তার আগেও হতে পারে, we are having a new routine being prepared, and if it comes then I will be having 2 classes with you per week. So per week 2 classes I will be having, though the time limit will be a little bit smaller, whatever, we can have the regularity and complete it. So write the whole homework and read the text, The Snail. I'll be checking with this homework and I will be completing reading the poem Snail itself. So thank you all for today. Let us end it here.